So next we are going to see is the wholesale trade. Okay, wholesale traders buy goods in large quantity from producers and sell them to the retailers in small quantities. Okay, so this is the wholesale traders does. So generally they deal with one or two types of goods. Okay, so they help the retailers in many ways, such as supplying the goods to the retailers in small quantities. Okay, so whenever required they provide credit facility to the retailers. So the main aim of the wholesale traders is that they get the product from the producer and they sell it to the retailers. Okay, so whenever required they provide the credit facility, that is, it may be top up, like they may give credits to the retailers. So they advertise for goods on the behalf of the retailers. So they supply market trends to the retailers. So they do not keep high margin of profit, so there won't be any high margin of profit to who? To wholesale traders. Okay, so they render some services to the producers, such as market trends, and advertise on behalf of the producers. So they do thus the advertisement too for the producers. So they also provide storage facility for goods, so they keep the goods in one place. Okay, so next which we are going to see is the foreign trade. So the trade between two countries is called as a foreign trade. Okay, so what we saw in the home trade is nothing but the trade within the country. Foreign trade is nothing but trade between two countries. Okay, so the foreign trade can be classified into three types. They are imports, exports, and the entrepot trade. In imports refer to a country buying goods from other countries for its use. Okay, imports is nothing but if we buy goods from other country, okay, for our use, so it is said to be as import. Export is nothing but selling our goods to other countries. Okay, that is said to be exports. Entrepot trade is nothing but buying the goods from one country and selling it to other country. Okay, that is said to be entrepot. So the example of entrepot is Singapore and the Middle East countries are the best examples. Okay, so the nowadays many countries are carrying out this entrepot trade. Okay, so in foreign trade we saw three types. One is imports, exports, and entrepot trade. Imports are nothing but buying the goods from other countries. Exports is nothing but selling the goods to other country. Entrepot is nothing but buying the goods from one country and selling it to other. Okay, so we have two example for that also. So need for foreign trade. So what is the need for foreign trade? So no country in the world is self-sufficient in all natural resources. Correct, right? So no country is full satisfied with what the resources they have. So some countries have plenty of natural resources. Using the available natural resources, they produce more goods than they require, and the excess is exported to the other countries. Okay. Whereas in the same way, some countries have deficit of some natural resources. Deficit is nothing but less or shortage, and depend on other countries so for their requirement, and what they do, they import them. That is, they buy the goods from the other countries. Okay, so thus there is a great need for foreign trade. So what is the great need of foreign trade? They have been explained over this in the para. So the need for foreign trade is increasing day by day, and it also helps to foster the friendship among the countries. Foster means encourage. Okay, so we have seen till this, and we don't have this industries part. Okay, types of industries, hindrances of business and trade industry, and the business ethics we don't have. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I have taught in this, the objectives of business, the trade, the different types of trade. Okay, just go through, read once if you have the textbook, or you can see the video so that it can be easily understandable for your knowledge. Okay, so in the next class of the social I will be sending the notes. Okay, so just complete the notes and be ready for the correction even too whenever it is asked. Okay, thank you.